Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. If natural beauty and tranquility is what you are seeking, look no further. Valentine View is a delightful 6 bedroom, 5 bathroom cottage set on a 1 acre lot with an outstanding view of the sea and surrounding countryside. The area is a tropical paradise of fruit trees and flowing shrubs, and the gentle sound of the sea takes your mind to a gentle, stress free lifestyle. Ideal for a guest house or villa operation, you could not be blamed for wanting to keep this quiet, romantic retreat entirely to yourself. Set just outside the rural township of Port Maria, where all the usual activities are being found. Here, you have the best of both worlds. Designed for outdoor living, 4 of the 5 bedrooms open onto private balconies and patios, and there is a spacious roof deck, walking distance to the sea. A private, concrete, in-ground swimming pool is an added bonus. Modernize it or keep it just the way it is. Either way, you will totally enjoy the idyllic location that takes your breath away. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is £330,000, US 430.7 thousand, or Jamaican $66.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.